Dear students, Jai Today we will study permutations and combinations. Permutations means arrangement, combinations means selection. Permutation or arrangement, combination means selection. These are synonymous words: permutation, arrangement, combination, selection. In any question, when you see how many ways, that is arrangement. We can select, that is combination, selection. In your real question will be comprises from arrangement and selection both, that is permutation and combination mixed question. In permutation combination, there is no any specific formula, but only there are two principles: principle of addition and principle of multiplication. Principle of addition. This principle states that if someone lives in Varanasi, work in Varanasi, but never receives his payment from Varanasi, he or she can take his payment from Gorakhpur, Lucknow, Prayagraj. If workman from Varanasi goes to Gorakhpur, he will receive his payment. He will go Lucknow, then also he or she can take her payment. If he goes Prayagraj, then also he receives her payment. Now, if he want to go Gorakhpur, one way is by train, another way is by bus. Suppose by two ways he can reach Gorakhpur. Another is he adopt his own means, own car. For Lucknow, one way is train, another is bus. For Prayagraj, train, bus, plane, own car. Here also he can adopt own car. Now, if anyone asks in how many ways person can receive his payment, then answer will be 3 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10 ways. If he decide to go Gorakhpur, then this is one method, this is another, this is another. 3 ways are here present to go for Gorakhpur. 3 present for Lucknow, 4 present for Prayagraj. Suppose. Then 4 plus 3 plus 3. Among all 10 ways, he or she can reach any one destination and his payment will be given. Here, person have option. He or she can go either Gorakhpur or Lucknow or Prayagraj. In all situations, his work finished for that month. If he receives her payment from Gorakhpur, then he cannot receive his payment Lucknow or Prayagraj also for same month, because if personnel at Gorakhpur updated the data, Lucknow and Prayagraj both become familiar that indicated person receives his her payment. So therefore, here is the option. When there is an option, either do this part or this part or this part. If there is option, then we add all the number of ways. This is called principle of addition. Where is option, there is addition. Now principle of multiplication. Principle of multiplication. Take another example. A person lives in Varanasi, becomes sick, and BHU hospital refuses patient to treat. Now, first of all, he want to go Lucknow, PGI, SGPGI. Then, first means is train, second is bus, third is own, fourth is plane. Depending on severity of disease. If it is very serious, then he will take Airbus from Babarpur and follow air route. Otherwise, he will take either train or bus or own vehicle. Suppose SGPGI Lucknow also refuses, then there is another option to go Mumbai, Tata. And for this journey, there are only two options, either train or plane. In another means, patient become dead in the way. If SGPGI refuses. Now, suppose person finally reaches at Mumbai, then how many ways this job can be completed? How many ways person reaches from Varanasi to Mumbai? See here, first route, 1. Here no change in route. First route, second route. Then change here. Second route, first route. Second route, second route. Third route, first route. Third route, second route. Fourth, first. Fourth, second. For every option from here, there is another 2 options. So therefore, in this situation, total number of ways will be 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Yes. Not 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Again see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, whole job is divided into pieces, and for completing the whole job, all parts must be completed. If patient reaches at Lucknow and tells that he reaches at Mumbai, this is false, this is wrong. And before going to Lucknow, Mumbai cannot take, because this take only that patient which refuses from Lucknow. Suppose this is condition. If BSU refuses, then Lucknow enters. If Lucknow refuses, then Mumbai enters. So therefore, both parts are compulsory to perform. So here compulsion. Where is compulsion? There is product. Rule of principle of multiplication. In permutation combination, only these principles work very well in every question. For example, take an example where both principles come together. There is a question. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed how many 3-digit numbers can be formed using digits 0 to 9, using all available digits from 0 to 9. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using digits 0 to 9, such that in every number three occurs exactly 1 times. There are 3 words: exactly, at least, at most. Exactly 3 means 3 and only 3, neither less than 3 nor more than 3. At least 3 means 3 or more. At least 3 implies 3 or more. At most 3 implies 3 or less than 3. Here is exactly 1 time. It means 2, 3, 5 can be a number from these numbers, but 2, 3, 3 cannot be taken. 3 occurs exactly 1 time. Now, in this question, we will divide whole question into 3 parts. Case first. Three occurs at unique place. Then your number will be of the form x, y, 3. unit place is filled by 3. 3-digit number means if we put 3 digits at unit place, 10 place, 100 place, then a 3-digit number will be formed. So our job is putting 1 digit for each places, at unit place, at 10 place, at 100 place. But we have fixed unit place by 3. 3 is fixed at unit place. So we have to work only for 10 place and 100 place. Among the digits 0 to 9, 3 is fixed and we cannot use 3 again because it is given that 3 occurs exactly one time, and that is happened 3 occurs at unit place. From 0 to 9 there are total 10 digits, among which 3 will be deleted because 3 comes here. We cannot take 3. So therefore we have only 9 digits: 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, not 3. So we can put any number at this place. This place is filled by one way, fixing 3. At 10 place we can put any number from any digit from 0 to 9 in 9 ways. But for this place we cannot take 3 and we also cannot take 0 because 0, 4, 3 is not a 3-digit number, it is 2-digit number. We cannot take 0 for 100 place and we cannot take 3 for 100 place because 3 is fixed for unit place. So we have only 8 options available to fill up the X. 8 place. So we have 8 options, 0 except we have 8 options: 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for 100 place, 9 option for 10 place, only 1 option for unit place. Now when all places will be filled, then formation of 3 digit will be completed, compulsion. So therefore we multiply these ways and there will be 72 3-digit numbers in which 3 occur at unit place and no at any other place. Case second, 3 occurs at 10 place. Your number will be of the form X3Z. Now again this place is filled by one digit, one ways, 3. For this place we have 9 ways, 9 options available. For this place we have 8 options available. When we place at least one digit at all places, then 3-digit number will be formed. So therefore total number will be 72 again. Case third, 3 occurs at 100 place. That is your number will be 3YZ, this part. Now this place is filled by 3 in one ways. Now we can take 0 at 10 place and unit place both. 307, 300, 340, all are our required number. 3 occurs one time and 3 digit numbers. We cannot take 0 at highest place, but we can take 0 at lower level. Therefore, for these places we have 9 options for each place, is equal to 81. Now, if we select any number from 72 numbers found here, or any number found here, or any number found here, our condition will be fulfilled. That is, 3 occurs exactly one time. So here is option. Here is compulsion. If we put only 2 and 3 and say that 3 digit number is found, then this is wrong. We have to put at least 3 places from 3 digits. So here is compulsion to put digits at 3 places. So there is compulsion, there is product. But here is option. We can take any number from this group, from this group, or from this group. Our requirement will be fulfilled. We have 3 digit number and in which 3 occurs exactly one time. So therefore, here is option. We add all these. The total number will be 72, 72, 81 is equal to 225. So there are 225 numbers in which there are 225 3-digit numbers in which 3 occurs exactly one time. This question explains how to use principle of addition and principle of multiplication. Now you can solve your first exercise from permutation combination. Thank you.